Come on, Dad. Why can't I just skip school today?
So you can get an education, go to college, get a good job, and not become a boom in the streets.
But everyone at school hates me, like Mrs. Christina, the principal, and everyone else.
That isn't true. In fact, it's you that hates everyone else. No shut your mouth and keep complaining.
Take me home now.
Did you not understand what I said? I said shut your mouth and keep complaining. What part did you not understand?
Like can you not? Like I'm trying to start my day off good.
Can you not? Shut the fuck up now.
Take me home now or I swear I will do something horrible.
You will be grounded as fuck if you do so.
Take me home.
Shut your fucking mouth. No.
That's it. I'm pulling the reverse brake.
You better not or is where I will beat your ass when we get home. Oh, I am ever so sorry, sir.
You are paying for all of the damages to my car. I expect the money by the end of this week.
Let's go all home now. You are not going to school today. I will deal in the house.
I cannot fucking believe you caused a car crash. That's it. You are grounded for 4 months. It'll take me ages to pay off the damages. Go upstairs for your beating.